And here we go. Everybody's asking what happened to Apple today. Boom! Went backwards and it dropped. Isn't that interesting? Now, we did point out yesterday, guys, there's a lot of resistance up here. And sure enough, we saw a massive reversal on Apple. Now, here's the thing that you need to look out for. Last time Apple did this, it went down for 4 days, 3 to 4 days. That's not a guarantee, but there's something more interesting going on. Apple found support. Okay. So now what's going to happen next? Two things. If Apple breaks this support here, okay, it could come down to about 175, guys. Okay. After that, we're looking at about 171. And then we start looking at lower levels all the way down to about 164. So keep an eye out on Apple. This is going to be a very interesting area. So the best way to play this, if you guys are doing trades during the day, is you want to look at this line right in here. Okay. And this is something that might happen with Apple, is it will stay here and you can see it trying to make a run. Okay. So it closed around the 182 area. So I could see it trying to make a run and then get rejected and start headed down. Okay. So don't be surprised if there's a pop. Now, if it dumps in pre-market, you guys know what these boxes are. Okay. So let me help you out. Take those drawings out and just show you what it looks like. So this is normal. Okay. September, we always see a setback, and Apple is just doing what it does. Okay. Now remember, you guys understand. Let me give you guys a better picture over here. If you guys understand charts, you'll see, okay, Apple has made a nice little gap down, and now potentially we could see Apple trying to make a run up all the way to this area. Okay. But most of the time we see it reject and come back down. And here's where I think you're going to see that rejection, guys. Let's take out our fib tool and we'll go down. Okay. So Apple didn't complete the normal rejection that stocks usually do. And that rejection is, it'll get all the way to the 61% area. So we're talking 185.76, and then it'll reject down. Okay. And it could stop here again. And then the next couple of days, we could see this. And then we could see it actually break that support. So Apple is doing what is normal. Okay. So make sure, if you guys are long, protect yourself, buy puts. If you don't know how to buy puts, which is like insurance for you, I'm going to leave you guys a link below. You guys sign up for my courses. I'll show you how to do it. It's very simple. Okay. And we can work one-on-one. All right. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla, same thing. Okay. Reject it just like we said it would. Okay. And then now Tesla went down about 10 bucks, but then Tesla decided to come back up, and who knows, it might test right over here again. I think Tesla is going to fall more just because of everything they say about Tesla and Elon. You guys can see we had support here and it broke out of support, and now it went under this line. It tried to come back up, but it rejected right in there. Okay. So we crossed the line. We came back up. So if we go down to, let's say, like the 15-minute chart, we'll be able to see some of this in action. Okay. So up here was our support line. Okay. And Tesla fell to this point, and then it tried to make a run back up, guys, and got rejected here. Okay, I suspect Tesla is going to continue this way. We could see it try to go up a little bit, but I think it's just going to make the move. Keep an eye on 242, like we said, and 240. Okay. After that, it's bye-bye Tesla. It's going to continue to fall. It's got no support. A lot of people sold their shares. Okay. Not many buyers down there. So we'll see some panic selling if that happens. Okay. What's another big stock that was going on today, guys? Let's take a look at SPX, right? S&P 500. Same thing, like Apple and Tesla rejecting really nicely there. I actually jumped in on the short here on SPX. And SPX is not hiding anything, guys. You know, if you look at this, right, it's just a straight out stock. A lot of people are afraid of playing SPX, but SPX, if you guys understand charts, it doesn't lie. It tells you what 500 stocks are doing, okay? And it's going to continue to do that, okay? I can see SPX testing this here tomorrow and then continue its way down. Okay, at some point, SPX is going to test this 4,300 level and it'll come back down. Okay, we might see something like this, and then we might see another move up, maybe not that high, and then we'll see it come down maybe to 4,300, 4,295. Okay, if you guys pay attention to this candle here, 43.28 is support. So if we were to say it's going to come down 43.28, it'd be around this area here. Okay. And now if that doesn't hold, your next area of support, okay, it's going to be right in here, 42.62. So we'll see it move down. Okay, these are not huge moves. Remember, SPX is not shy. It'll move up $50. It'll fall $50 like nothing. Remember, it's 500 stocks is representing. Okay. So this is normal for SPX. It's pulling back. Okay. So we should see something like this happen tomorrow. And then within the next, week or so, we'll continue to see a fall down. All right, let's take a look at Amazon. I'm waiting for Amazon to fall more. I should have bought Amazon at 100 and I didn't. Okay, that's okay. Amazon's built a nice little support here, and what I'm waiting for, okay, because this is a decision time. So now Amazon has the opportunity to do this. It can come up all the way and hit that line again. Come down, hit this one, potentially come up, bounce off of here, and then on the way up. What I think is really going to happen is it's going to come up and then just straight reject. Okay. People are selling off. I mean, you can look at a lot of indicators. Go look at your MACD. Go look at the RSI. If you guys don't know how to use those, sign up for the course, guys. $99. You get 30 days money back guarantee. You get to go in the chat room for free. You get to talk to other traders. Okay. At any time, day and night, right? Everybody's always in that room talking to each other no matter what. Okay. But this is what's going on with the market, guys. Don't be afraid of protecting your trade. If you have longs, okay, send me a message. I'll help you out. Like, this is not a hard thing to do. The market is going to go back for a little bit. Now, one big major announcement happened today. We did have numbers come out. We had the deficit numbers come out. And when those numbers come out, guys, it's exactly what I tell everybody. It's a nothing burger. The stock market didn't go down because of those numbers. Okay. Stock market didn't even care. It was supposed to go and pull back, in which is what it did. It's a nothing burger. So be careful when people are telling you numbers. It'll give you a temporary detour, but the market will keep going down if it was already going down. You guys can see we've had a downtrend for a while. So if anybody's telling you, oh, the numbers brought it down, look at this. Okay. We were in a downtrend. Okay. We pulled back and now we're headed back down. Okay. Nothing burger, guys. Now, what is a something burger is ECB. If you guys are not familiar with ECB, that's the European Central Bank. Okay. And they announced that they will pause raising rates in September. So what does that mean? We're probably going to do the same thing in the United States. So 2 weeks, we announce whether we do it or don't do it. And most of the time we follow whatever they're doing. And traditionally, the next month or so, the inflation rate starts to jump up and things get a little wild, guys. So stay tuned. You got to find a way to stay protected. Okay. This happened today. So make sure you guys stay on top of this. Okay. All right, guys. And before you guys call me out, I know I showed you an older article, but this is the actual article that came out today. So ECB, right? European Central Bank has reached the level at which it will have to stop rate hikes. Okay. So this is what they're talking about. That's the noise out there. Usually when this happens and it gets to Yahoo Finance and some of these big websites or financial websites, it's because people are talking internally. And as we know, something that's very natural as a human is that we can't keep a secret. So these folks are talking and now it's out in the news. So again, be careful. This is coming. They do it. We're going to do it. And we're going to see a nice little roller coaster ride, especially in the stock market. Now, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell for notifications. And don't forget to hit the like button because that really helps the channel. Now, when you get a chance, go click on the link, guys. You're going to see these are the actual courses. If you go and click on the link, you'll see the Trading Academy. You can try the beginner courses. If you've been in the stock market for a while, go to the intermediate. I have some option classes in there that'll help you guys out. Then we also have a daily stock watch list where you guys sign up. I send you stocks that are about to flip and go bullish in case you want to jump into some long trades. Now, that list is pretty good because it comes with a video that shows you how I would enter the trade so that you don't make any mistakes. And the number one thing I teach in the video is paper trade it first and watch it and see if it worked for you. Get some practice. Okay. Paper trading is going to make you a better trader. If you're sitting there taking one trade a week and it doesn't go well because you're not paper trading, you have to practice and journal what you did. Did it go well? Did I make a little bit of money? Why did it? What time did I enter it? Where was the moving average at? Where was the price at? All that good stuff, guys. So I hope this helps, guys. And until the next video, I'm wishing you a green day.